Hey there, welcome back to our channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss out on our latest content. Today, we've got something really special to share with you. If you're tired of constantly searching for that elusive TV remote, or if your current one is on its last legs, then you're in luck. Introducing the hot sale MKJ39170828 service remote control for LG LCD LED TV. This brand new remote control is not only high quality, but it's also a perfect replacement for your LCD TV controller. With its simple design and ease of use, you won't have to worry about programming or setting anything up. Just pop in 2 AAA batteries and you're good to go. The dedicated replacement remote control covers all the functions of the original remote, so you won't be missing out on any features. And with its plastic construction and compact size, it's the perfect addition to your home entertainment setup. Don't forget, it also comes with a one-piece remote, so you'll have everything you need right out of the box. And while it doesn't come with batteries, it's a small price to pay for the convenience it brings. So why wait any longer? Say goodbye to the hassle of a malfunctioning remote and upgrade to the hot sale MKJ39170828 service remote control for LG LCD LED TV. Click the link in the description to get yours today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and share this video with your friends. Until next time.